How to know if someone is online on Facebook Messenger. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. You can easily know the activity status of someone by looking at a simple green dot. Now to check it out, go ahead and launch a Messenger application in your device. Make sure that you have connected an account with your Facebook Messenger. So right over here, if you have not logged in yet, make sure to log in. Now in the top of my chat feed, you can see that it has returned 38 minutes. So this shows that the person was active 38 minutes ago. If the person was active right now, you could see a green dot right over here next to the person. Now to check out, firstly make sure you have toggled on your own activity status. If you have not toggled on your activity status, you might not be able to view others as well. In order to check it out, tap on the three horizontal line in your left hand side. Then tap on the setting gear icon. Here, navigate to active status. Here, if you have toggled this button on, anyone can check your activity status, that is if you are online or not. Once you have toggled it on, you will be able to check out others' activity status as well. So this is how you can know if someone is online on Facebook Messenger. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon. So make sure to go ahead